Well, it's been a productive week here, Christmas week 2020. We've got our replacement floor pan pieces welded in. Everything's sandblasted and etch prepped for pour 15. This piece turned out pretty good. Welding these nuts on was a little tougher than I expected. But they should hold up better than the last ones. The original ones were spot welded in, kind of a spot weld nut. This piece also turned out decent for a first attempt at something like this. Did end up a little short on length, and I'm not sure why. If it was a stretching issue or didn't mark it out right or what, but had to add about a ½ inch in the middle there. But in some ways that made it easier to line everything up. So other than that, it lined up really well. The white powder you see is from the etch, the metal prep for pour 15. Need to wipe that off yet, so we'll have that hopefully coated yet tonight. And then we'll move on to the floor pans in the cab, which took a poke at the other day, and they're a little worse than I had hoped. We'll get through that. Still formulating a plan. I don't have an English wheel and I don't have a bead roller, so we're gonna maybe I don't know what we're gonna do yet. It'll be a surprise to us both. So take care. Merry Christmas.